Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open FaceApp and instead of your usual edition tool, you see a message that your account has been temporarily suspended. So you can't log in, you can't edit photos, and you have no idea what you did wrong. Account suspensions are rare, but they can happen. According to Apple's FaceTime troubleshooting documentation and multiple FaceApp documentation, which deals with similar server-side account validation, account suspension or activation issues often stem from verification failures, security flags, or login. Basically, different IP address. It's basically inconsistency across devices. While this guide is technically for FaceTime only, we also have multiple apps going through the same thing. So the key is basically to use these same steps to solve this issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix account temporarily suspended in FaceApp, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you should verify your login credentials. The most common cause of account access issues is simply being signed into the wrong account. So double check that you are using the correct email address and that you have typed your password correctly. If you use sign in with Apple or sign in with Google, make sure you are selecting the same method you used originally. Then check for email notifications. FaceApp should have sent an email explaining why your account was suspended. Check your inbox and spam folder for any messages from FaceApp support. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.